You're looking at an IBM Selectric 71 typewriter. Good overall physical shape. See inside, probably use a little cleaning, but I am not a typewriter expert. It's got the Prestige Elite 72 font ball thing. Go ahead and turn it on. Does make a little bit of what sounds like fan noise or an electrical kind of whirring sound. I'm not sure if you can hear that in the video. Go ahead and load up some paper. Should probably put that up first. Clearly have no idea what I'm doing. Does type. Only thing I did notice when testing this is that if you hold down the space bar, it does kind of hang up right there. It may just because it needs a little cleaning, maybe a little dust on that little track there. But it does work. And it looks like I made this video just in time to use up the last of the ink ribbon. So you will probably also need some more ink ribbon.